Lubricated plug valve. As in plug valves, the disc and seat are metallic. To avoid friction between two metal surfaces and prevent erosion, a lubricating layer is inserted between the two surfaces. In addition, the lubricant has the duty of sealing the inner face of seat and disc. The sealant material can be injected by a strong grease pump into the sealant container. If the grease pump is not readily available, it is possible to open the screw of the sealant container and push the sealant manually into the container. The other task of the sealant is to prohibit the direct contact of the disc and seat. Increase of the sealant pressure causes the disc to stop by a distance from the bottom of the seat. As the sealant pressure is more than the line pressure, the leakage of the fluid or its contaminations into the space between the disc and seat is practically impossible. The type of the sealant must be selected in accordance with the kind of the fluid. Indeed, the fluid must not be able to solve or remove the sealant. The solvability of the sealant by the fluid not only contaminates the fluid, but also ruins the sealing between the disc and seat, and finally, the valve will suffer leakage. Non-lubricated plug valve. Opposite to lubricated plug valves, there is no need to lubricate these valves. To prohibit the contact between two metal surfaces, an elastomeric coating is used, which is called sleeve. Because of the wedge shape of the disc, the elastomeric sleeve will stick firmly to the surface and will seal completely the interface of disc and seat. This kind of non-metallic coating as an intermediate substance with low friction efficiency will decrease the friction force between disc and seat. The sealing in this valve is as good and complete as the sealing in lubricated plug valves. However, use of elastomeric coating makes some restriction from high thermal point of view. These valves are more in places where the maintenance and reface procedure can hardly be fulfilled.